How to choose the correct aspect ratio for your YouTube videos using Capcut. Alright, now so to get started, let's head over to our Capcut, okay? And then of course, make sure you're signed into your Capcut account, okay? And this is the part where we have to import our project, okay? So we click on new projects, okay? So let's use this one for example. Documents or information. Click on add. And here it is. So this is the video we are going to be working with. And if you're editing for YouTube videos, you might even want to make sure that you've chosen the correct aspect ratio for your video. By default, YouTube videos, like for the long form videos, are usually aspect ratio of 16:9. It's the long form content that are 9:16. Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit audio text overlay, effects, captions, all those things. So we have to come to this place, scroll down here that says aspect ratio. You might want to even drag the trend to the extreme. Click on aspect ratio and choose this 16:9 aspect ratio. If it's for the YouTube short, the same thing as the TikTok one, also click display. The video becomes long. Since we are not working with that, we are working with the current one, which is for the YouTube long form videos. We are choosing this particular one. Okay, good. If it's for Facebook, you might be choosing different aspect ratios. This one is mainly for Instagram. Video becomes square, but we are here for YouTube, of course. So this is the aspect ratio we'll be working with. Okay, good. If you're using the desktop version, you can install Capcut on your laptop and edit your video. It's just the same thing. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'll see you when I see you.